Meet Liz, the self-proclaimed best babysitter ever, hired to watch little Timmy and his family's parrot, Captain Squawk. Confidently, Liz declares she can handle anything: tantrums, messes, even bedtime. But as soon as the parents leave, Captain Squawk starts repeating, "Liz can't handle it," each time Timmy spills juice or draws on the walls. Flustered, Liz tries bribing the bird with crackers, but Captain Squawk just cackles and shouts, "Call for backup." By the end, Timmy's asleep, but Liz's confidence is gone. The parrot, still chanting, "Best babysitter ever," not